Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano S Plus in 2025. If you're new here, I'm all about making crypto simple and secure for beginners. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother transferring? Robinhood is fantastic for quick trades, but for long-term storage, a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S Plus is a game changer. It's offline, which means it's way more secure against hacks. Plus, in 2025, with evolving regulations and tech, taking control of your keys is essential. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready: your Robinhood account with the crypto you want to move, your Ledger Nano S Plus device set up, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Oh, and always double-check for the latest updates to avoid any glitches. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your phone and head to your portfolio. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and tap on it. Step 2. Hit the three dots or the Transfer option, then select Withdraw to External Wallet. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Step 3. Connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer via USB. Open the Ledger Live app, select the cryptocurrency, and go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully to avoid errors. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any network fees involved. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the blockchain network. Once it's done, open Ledger Live again to verify your crypto has arrived. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.